Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a two-page layout that is actually a Christmas theme. This will be in Scrapbook Christmas album number 8 on my website meandmycricut.com. So this has a lot of, oh please subscribe below and you'll get a notice when I make a new video. All right, so I have these photos today and there's a lot of gray in them, so I'm going with a bit of a gray theme. Now the papers I'm using are, this paper is from, let's see here, Autumn Bliss, Pink Paisley Autumn Bliss, and this paper is from Sage Park by Recollections. It's from Michael's pad. And then the background paper is right here. It is Merry Mint from American Crafts. This is good for baking and that. There's lots of good candies and that sort of thing. Alright, so here's my background page. Now, to begin with, I am doing Kiwi Lane templates. So this is the Clara Lane set. And so to use these, I'm sure a lot of you know about them, but many people might not. So you choose, first of all, a multicolored print. And it is going to be your top layer. So then you pick another print from this. You pick a color from this, pick another pattern that coordinates, and so I have that, and then a background as well. So they do come in sets of 3, so you would pick 3 patterns, but I'm only using 2 on this page, 2 different patterns. But how you use it is you put the template on your paper, you mark it with pencil, push this in, then you just mark where the edge is, you cut that with your trimmer, and then you cut this edge, with the pencil edge, where with scissors or line gauge, or an X-Acto knife rather. So then they just open up and they will match. If you want to use them on both pages, you can. They line up perfectly. And then this one is going on top. So I am placing these at the bottom of my page. And so I will line them up. I really love these for outdoor scenes. As you can, if you just look at this, it looks like it's a scene already. And when you add a third layer to it, it just creates the background for a wonderful scene. And you have each pattern on both sides, so it creates a balanced look and a totally coordinated 2-page layout. So this is the 3rd layer for this set, and I'm using the same paper. Normally I don't do that, but this would sit like this, or you can put it anywhere you want. I am actually going to be using them at the top, like this. Okay, so now I'm placing my frames. This frame I'm going to tuck over here, and I'm going to put this tall photo on that. And this frame, whoa, I have another one here. I'm going to tuck it under here. I have to tuck it under a little more. There we go. And it's going to go like this. Okay, so here's her gray hat. I'll be putting that about here. So what I'm going to do is I decided, because of all the gray, what I would do is silver. I was thinking, okay, gray, Christmas, whatever, silver. So silver rang a bell with me. I decided I'm going to do silver bells theme. So I found some images. These are in Anna Griffin, one of her Christmas cartridges. So I'm doing silver bells as a theme for this page. So this is going to go up here. And then I found another silver bells image. It's these are Anna Griffin too, which I'm going to put here. And I found a different silver bells, and it's going to go here. Maybe I'll move that up a bit. And I found a cute hat that looked like hers. It has a snowflake in the middle, and there's a snowflake on that hat. So I embossed the silver, the gray part, with this embossing folder that looks like knitting. And then I did the white to make it look fluffy with these flourishes. Embossed it with that. And I'm just going to sit this hat on the top of that photo. I think I'll angle it a wee bit. Like that. And then I did also find a title for this page. Right there. Merry Christmas. So I will use foam lifters for the title, the hat, these bells, and these bells. And I think that'll finish off my page. So I hope you like this page. Thank you for watching. And I'll post some more videos soon.